Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video I'll be analyzing GAIL India Limited. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Guys, this is weekly chart. Now you can see here the important thing what I want to show you is price has been rejected from 200-day moving average on weekly chart. You can see here there was a rejection. Since 2019, price has not closed above this 200-day moving average on weekly chart. Now again price had rejected recently in January and it has come down. But the good thing here is price has not made a lower low yet. If you talk about the price action, you can see here this was a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and price has again moved up, though it has not broken the previous high. Once it breaks the previous high and closes above that, it will be something price will be closing above this 200-day moving average. That will be a key level for the upward momentum. Now let's go and analyze this. The first thing what I'm going to draw is a small trend line. This is one trend line what I'm drawing. Right now I'll also plot one more line near to this 200-day moving average or at this resistance level, that is 146.20. Let me mark it in black color. Okay, this 146.20 will be a key level because that is a high from where the prices have been recently rejected. Okay, now let us see some resistance level as well on the upside. In case price moves up, these are the targets what I'm hoping for. Okay, now what can be the price behavior? This is what the trend line had drawn some time back. Okay, now we can see here price has formed bearish engulfing in daily chart. Right, this is what we have to look at, and price is also approaching almost near 50 moving average. So in case this breaks, we can slowly expect price to move down because this is also forming a head and shoulder pattern. Probably it may form a head and shoulder pattern. I'll just show you that. This is the left shoulder, head, and this is what the right shoulder looks like. In case this trend line breaches, in case we see a close below this trend line, then it will also be closing below 50 moving average. Then once price breaches this low, this point, then you can assume it has broken, it has made a lower low, and from this level prices can start heading down. In case it breaches this, we can expect a retracement and then start going down slowly on the downside. On the other side, this also forms a double bottom pattern in case price moves up. I'll just show you that as well. Let's assume it doesn't breach this trend line, and in case from this 50 moving average it starts bouncing up, then it forms a double bottom pattern as well. So we'll have to wait for the prices to reach this 50 moving average as well as the trend line to take a decision on this. Now let me remove this head and shoulder pattern for now. Okay, now what are the key levels? In case price bounces up from this trend line, if we see a good reversal pattern, then probably we can take a long position because it is taking support at 50 moving average, then there are good chances the prices can move up. The other thing, for those who are trading based on patterns, guys, this will be a key level, that is 138. Once price close above 138, we can expect 146 to hit it. 146 will be a resistance point, and after 146 we can maintain target of 150, 153 and 162 on the upside. So GAIL is somewhere near, it's neither a long call for now nor a short call, because even if you take a short position, the maximum movement I can expect up to this trend line, that is just 2 points. So it's better to wait till price reaches 130 levels, and then we can probably take a decision, right? This is all in GAIL. Now let's move to the next stock. Let's see in the next video. And guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you're enjoying watching videos, give a like, and any doubts, drop a comment.